Okay, so this is unboxing the Elgato Stream Deck that I have picked up from Amazon on Black Friday. Don't quite want to destroy the box that much, never mind. So, quick start guide, plug it in, launch the app, drag on your buttons, and so on and so forth. What we do, hardwired USB cable. I love these buttons. These buttons are nice. And stand, which I'm probably going to be using in quite a high angle. Let's use the big one to run it more or less like that. I'd actually like it a little bit higher, but I think yeah, that's the most angled it'll go. So that's what it's going to look like, albeit with the little icons in when we've got those going. So I'm going to see if this will run through my keyboard, through the USB, fire up the app, and then see what I can do with it.